Another day, another box by OnePlus. This time we have the OnePlus Pad 3 right here. This is the reviewer's kit. So let's quickly unbox it, show you everything that OnePlus has sent us, and let's go. So this opens sideways like this. Of course, this is the reviewer's kit that OnePlus has sent us. If you go out into the market to buy the OnePlus Pad 3, of course, you'll have to buy these separately. This is the OnePlus Pad 3 and this here is the smart keyboard. So OnePlus says it's their smartest tablet yet, powered by a chip that no other tablet has, with a display that sort of breaks the rule book and a keyboard that might finally ditch your laptop. So this is the OnePlus Pad 3 in its all metal glory, and if you notice, this is just 5.9 millimeters thick, so it's pretty thin, and you get a raised camera bump right here. OnePlus says that this is their slimmest tablet yet, and it feels premium in the hand. So it's got a metal unibody design and it uses an aluminum alloy. So while it feels light, it is also seriously durable. So this is going to be available in two colors, storm blue that you see right here and frosted silver. And like I said, it's got a redesigned camera module right here, and it's it's got that whole minimalist and sleek vibe going all around. The front, if I show you, the front is dominated by a 13.2-inch display. It's a 3.4K LCD display right here. Aspect ratio is quite special. It's got a 7:5 aspect ratio, so it's built for watching, reading, working, all of those things. So the Pad 3 has 8 speakers, 4 woofers and 4 tweeters that make up the 8-speaker setup for an immersive sound, and it adapts on how you hold it. So whether you're holding it landscape or whether you're holding it in the vertical mode, the sound will actually adapt to how you're holding it in your hand. And inside this sleek tablet, you get the top of the line Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, and you get 16 GB of RAM with 512 GB of storage. It's built to handle heavy multitasking, gaming and creative workloads, which is why OnePlus has gone ahead with the 8 Elite chipset. If you talk about the battery, it's got a 12,140 mAh battery, and OnePlus claims that 6 hours of continuous AAA gaming, over 17 hours of long video playback, and over 70 days on standby mode. Plus, it supports 80-watt charging. As I showed you, it comes with a 80-watt SUPERVOOC charger. This tablet runs the Oxygen OS 15, and there's open canvas for multitasking, AI Toolbox for auto summaries and translations, and Google Gemini access with a dedicated keyboard key. So let's quickly check out the new keyboard while I keep it right here. So let's quickly see how the new OnePlus Pad 3 keyboard attaches to the Pad 3 right here. So first we'll align this with the keyboard back right here. It attaches quickly, and then we'll sort of open the lid up and attach this right here. This is sort of how you'll prop it up on a desk or like on a table, and it feels wider. I'll be honest with you, it feels wider. It's got that laptop like feel. It's clicky enough, and it's got adjustable angles. You can adjust it to different angles right here, as you can see, so you get a comfortable viewing distance. And it's also got an AI button right here that's built into the keyboard. So the OnePlus Pad 3 looks like a serious contender in the tablet space this year. This was just the unboxing and first impressions. The review is coming soon, so stay tuned. Let me know in the comments what you want tested in the full review, and drop your questions below. Thanks for watching.